guys, so here's a segment today for my trailer and where I'm getting with it. Taking off this wall over here, this one, there's rot on this wall here. Can't really see that right there. And down here on the floor. So anyway, I've got it cleared out, completely cleared out. Sound effects, right? Sound effects. Let's see if I can get this set up like kind of in a timely fashion, huh? There's my. Anyway. I don't know. Don't worry about it. I've never done this before, so this is all going to be new and fun and new to me. Sweet success. All right, guys. Whew. Well, that's where I'm going to leave you for today, for the moment. And got her done there. Now I'm going to take that one off. Take that light socket out, or outlet. All right, well, I will check in later. Okay, peace out.